Hello and welcome to my channel. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Today I have another review from Kaz Creations. I start off by applying my base coat. Now I am adding another base coat. This one is from LA Colours and it's called Fibre Strong. Now I am applying my base colour. I apply 2 coats of my base colour and I cap the free edge. I am now cutting out the decals that I'd like to use. As you can see, they come in different sizes to suit all nails. I always cut as close as I can to the image. I am now placing the decal in some warm water for about 10 to 20 seconds. I'm now placing the decal on my stamper as I find it easier for placement. I dab it to remove excess water. I am now lining up the decal on where I would like to place it onto my nail. I am now using a brush dipped in acetone to melt away any decal excess from around my cuticles. I am now applying my fast dry top coat to help seal in my design. I now apply my cuticle oil and massage it in.